Hey, Jonathan.
Hi.
Now that the thief is gone, it's really been boring lately, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I think he gets out today.
Yeah.
If he gets out today, maybe we should set a trap for him and unload our dart guns on him. What do you think? You want to set a trap for the thief? Let's do it.
Hey, thief. They're letting you out today.
Locked up, they won't let me out. Locked up, they won't let me out. Locked up.
Hey, thief.
What?
They're letting you out today.
I'm out. Yeah. All right. I'm out of here. Later, guys. Free at last. Oh, I love the fresh smell of freedom. Freedom.
Okay, thief. Don't go stealing any more of Jonathan's toys. I hope you learned your lesson this time.
I didn't do it. They got the wrong guy. There he is, Jonathan. There's the thief.
That's it.
He's back out. Maybe we should put one of these garbage trucks on a fishing line, lure him over and shoot him with Nerf darts.
Yeah.
Let's do it. I'm not gonna be stealing no more. I'm turning over a new leaf. I might even get me a job. I don't know about a job, but I'll do something productive, even though I have been wanting a garbage truck lately. All right, we got the garbage truck all hooked up to the fishing pole. Now we can cast the pole. We gotta get the Blippi mobile and get our Nerf guns hooked up. Open the garage. Okay, Jonathan, time to cast that fishing line out with that garbage truck and catch us a thief. Send it out. Let the line out, let it go. There you go. Now go, garbage truck, and catch us a thief. I'm turning over a new leaf. I'm not stealing no more. Maybe even get me a real job. Nah. Nothing like that, but I'll be productive now. I really always just want a garbage truck. Whoa, what's that? What's that? Garbage truck. Whoa, looky there. Can we sing the garbage truck song?
Yeah.
Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Garbage truck, garbage truck, garbage truck. Everybody loves a garbage truck.
Headed for the dump.
I just want to keep it. Well, everybody, I wasn't going to steal. Wait a minute. Who's that over there? Well, it's going to be so funny. Oh, we're going to trick him good.
Wait, what's my clip?
We got him good, Jonathan.
I want my clip.
We tricked him very good.
I want the clip.
You get it.
This one.
Load it up, Jonathan. Load it up. That's Blippi doll and Jonathan dressed as a Blippi. They're trying to trick me into stealing the garbage truck. Well, I might have been born last night, but I wasn't born at night. I'm gonna sneak attack him this time, around the back, and see how he likes it. I'll be right back, garbage truck. I'll be right back to steal you. Now Jonathan's gonna find out that I got some Nerf dart guns of my own.
Let's go to Blippi, Dad.
Here I am, right here talking to you. I'm with you, I'm not leaving you.
Good job, Jonathan. Line it up. Line it up. You're doing great. We're going to win this battle.
This one.
We tricked them good. We're going to win.
Okay, Blippi dressed toddler. Jonathan, let's play. Nerf. Wait till he gets a load of me. Let's rock and roll. Now it's time to fight, but first I need to work out. Like I learned when I was in that place that they brought me. Jump to the left and shake that hand. Jump to the right and shake that hand. Meet new friends, pass some yarn. That's how you do this song. Do it. Oh, wait. Almost forgot my guns. Clean up on aisle 5. Parkour! Parkour! Oh, I see him. I see him. Can't you see me? I was running on ice. Running on ice. Get ready, Jonathan. I'm gonna get you this time. Eat darts! I'm tired of you guys always picking on me. I'm always tired of it. I got you. And you too, Blippi doll. You better run. Oh no, I'm out of bullets. No.
Okay.
Get away! You'll never catch me alive! Now you see that? I got the garbage truck. It's mine now. My garbage truck. You may have beat me this time, Jonathan, but I'll be back. I'll be back. You may have got me this time, Blippi doll and Jonathan, but I'll be back. It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He He's happy all day. He loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day. It's a Jonathan song.